Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sesame rice balls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of glutinous rice flour, 150 milliliters of warm water, and 50 grams of sugar for the dough. For the filling, prepare 100 grams of red bean paste or a mixture of crushed peanuts and sugar. Don't forget about 250 milliliters of cooking oil for frying. Now, let's craft the perfect dough. In a large bowl, combine your 200 grams of glutinous rice flour with 50 grams of sugar. Gradually pour in 150 milliliters of warm water, mixing continuously until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Knead this dough for approximately 5 to 7 minutes on a clean surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 15 minutes. With our dough ready, it's time for the fun part: filling and shaping. Divide your dough into 12 equal pieces, each weighing roughly 25 grams. Flatten each piece into a small disc, making a slight indentation in the middle. Place about 1 teaspoon of your red bean paste or peanut filling into this well. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together to seal the filling inside, then roll it gently into a smooth, round ball. Finally, roll each ball in sesame seeds for that classic finish. Our final step is frying and serving these delicious treats. Heat 250 milliliters of cooking oil in a deep pan to about 170 degrees Celsius. Carefully place a few sesame rice balls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan, which could lower the oil temperature. Fry them for 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and have puffed up. Remove them with a slotted spoon. Drain on paper towels and serve warm. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.